In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana 2 with N8N. By the end, you'll have a working workflow that sends a message to the Nano Banana 2 model and returns a clean, usable response inside N8N. Start inside your N8N dashboard and head to the Workflows area. Create a new workflow so we're starting with a blank canvas. On the canvas, add a new node by clicking the plus button. In the node picker, search for OpenAI and choose the option labeled Message a Model. This node is designed for conversational interactions and is the simplest way to send prompts and receive responses from a model within N8N. When the node opens, connect it to your credential. Use a credential that you've already set up and stored securely in N8N. If you haven't created one yet, set up a connection in the credentials area first and make sure you never paste sensitive keys directly into your workflow fields. Next, select the resource that best matches messaging a model. This ensures the node is using the right endpoint for chat-style prompts and outputs. Then choose the operation you want. For most cases, the default operation that creates a response is perfect and will generate a single reply from the model. Now select the model. From the drop-down, pick Nano Banana 2. If you have multiple models available, confirm that this one appears and is enabled for your account or workspace. Choosing the model here controls both capability and behavior, so this is a key step. Move down to Messages. This is where you'll define what you want the model to do. Messages can be a list, allowing you to include a system instruction, a user prompt, and more. You can also use expressions to pull data from previous nodes, which is great if you're transforming inputs or scraping content earlier in your workflow. Set the type for your message content. Text is the common choice and works for most prompt and response scenarios. Then set the role. System messages are best for high-level instructions and guardrails like tone, style, or constraints. User messages should contain the actual task or question you're asking. If you're chaining multiple messages, put your overarching instructions in the system role and your task details in the user role for clarity. Start typing your prompt. Be specific about the desired outcome, format, and any constraints such as length or style. If you expect structured data, ask for it and consider specifying a JSON-like structure. Clear instructions here lead to more predictable results downstream. Optionally, enable Simplify Output. When turned on, the node returns a cleaner, easier to reference field for the model's main reply. If you need the full raw structure for debugging or advanced parsing, you can leave this off. Otherwise, simplifying can make mapping to later nodes faster. Explore built-in tools if available. These can extend what the model can do within the node, such as following function-like instructions or using helper capabilities. Only enable what you actually need to keep responses focused and cost predictable. Open the options section to fine-tune behavior. Temperature controls creativity, lower values make answers more deterministic, while higher values invite more exploration. Adjust maximum tokens to prevent overly long outputs. If your use case needs consistency, keep temperature low and define explicit instructions in the prompt. When everything looks good, execute the node to test it. You should see the model's response in the output panel. If results aren't what you expected, refine your system instruction, tighten the user prompt, or tweak the options for temperature and length. Test iteratively until the response matches your target format and tone. From here, add more nodes with the plus button to extend your workflow. You might store the response in a database, send it to another service, or transform it further. The important part is that your Nano Banana 2 message node now provides a reliable, structured output you can reuse anywhere in your automation. That's it. You've created a workflow, connected the model, crafted a clear prompt, tuned options, executed a test, and prepared the output for downstream tools. Save your workflow, document your prompt strategy, and you're ready to scale or reuse this setup across projects.